So, ladies and gentlemen, good evening once again. You know that it is the day of Maharagina. It is the day of Kirwani. You know that this is the highest, this is the tallest deity of Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir. You know that how beautifully this is here. This is the priest Guruji, and this is the Maharagina. This is the deity of Kheer Bhavani. Why Kheer Bhavani? Because in this sarovar, in this spring, you only offer kheer and kand, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, the milk offerings in this spring by the Shraddhalus, by the devotees, in the name of Maharagina, in the name of Maharagina. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just take you around and just show you what all this stands for. Please come with me. Please walk with me. Walk with me today, and feel the bliss, feel the energy, and feel the positivity of Mata Ragina, ladies and gentlemen. That is exactly. Oh, give me a big smile, sir. This is WhatsApp and his wife. We have been traveling together, and we have been here for a very long time. Always smiling. God bless them. God bless them. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are again just trying to see this Maharagina. You know that just have a look of the ambience, the feeling of the place. This is 20th June 2018, Mata Maharagina's day. This is the Zethottam in Kashmir. आज Zethottam जो अमी किनत मनान यार क्योंकि ये सारी खत बड़ ٲٹھم ये वरियस मज अकि साथ यिवान तो यम साथ वनान Zethottam वरियस मज 10 ٲٹھم आसान ये वरियस मज अकि साथ यिवान यह जून जुलाईस मज या मेस मज Zethottam ब्रोट ٲٹھم दो मे वुहर रोज आसान संजय खेरस. So, ladies and gentlemen, this Zethottam, you know that what I was trying to tell you, that it comes once a while. Sit, stand with your. So once it comes, ladies and gentlemen, it comes there. So this is Maharagina. This is. So, ladies and gentlemen, please have a look please walk with me and just have a feel of the place. This is the hold on the right side of this temple, and this is the hold on the left side. So you will not feel any cold. If you are sleeping here, you are sitting here, you are eating here, 24 hours you will be here in front of the Maharagina, Maharagina, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, this you know, Kheer Bhavani, you will just have, you will be recharged for life. You will have a blissful life, and you will have the full energy. And ladies and gentlemen, just try to just see that and then of course in front, this is a very big tree. This is the bark of the tree basically, and this tree has been newly, just in this new construction, this has been covered previously when I left this Kashmir around 28 years back in 1990, and the mass exodus of Kashmiri Pandits, very unfortunate and ugly and cruel event in the history of Kashmiri Pandits. That was the 7th exodus, and that time, you know, ladies and gentlemen, this construction was not there. This construction is basically a new construction, and then, you know, it looks magnificent. You just see that is basically the tree. That is the chinar tree. This chinar tree, you know, that it is standing. They are standing there for hundreds, thousands years. Now let's have a feel of the people. You just see that how these ladies are working. Ladies, I'll show you that these ladies, Kashmiri ladies, are very since morning they are working. They are working tirelessly, just cleaning these utensils. So hats off to them. God bless them. God bless these ladies. God bless them. They are tirelessly, just since morning they are performing this job of cleaning the utensils. And because you know that this Nagbandi people, they are very dedicated Lord. They are to be saluted. They are supplying prasads. They are supplying the sheer chai, you know, sheer chai. And this is the Nagbandi tea. You just see that, ladies and gentlemen, that this Nagbandi tea is being just had by people. They are distributing these sheer chai, and then there is sheer chai, and then of course, ladies and gentlemen, there is also distribution of this ras, and then distribution of this pakoras, and then just see that how dedicated these people are. These are Seva Sanasta Nagbandi. Just see, ladies and gentlemen, this is all now sheer chai. Ladies and gentlemen, just see that how these ladies are working. They are a very dedicated Lord. God bless them, and God give them a very long life. You have seen that these people are working here, giving the service in the name of Goddess, in front of the Goddess Maharagina. And of course, you have seen that on the back side, those ladies were doing the cleaning process. So everything is clean, speck and clean. You know that this is the beauty of life. And you just see that how beautiful this person is just singing. What a beautiful life. What a beauty of life. God bless this person, because you just see that his soul is weeping. He is crying for the homeland. Of course, you just see that this is the beauty of life, you know.
Parvai tas kya chu parvai rozan bevai saitan moj saitan moj durar chan zane san gomai moj san gomai moj lolhti bariya kasvane moj kasvane moj Yasukun ulip tas kya chu aje tas kya chu ha aje Yasukun ulip tas kya chu aje tas kya chu ha aje Savan darida andane moj andane moj Savan darida andane Mojhe andane mojhe durare jagane san gomai mojhe san gomai mojhe lole ki priya kasvane mojhe mojhe yaschoy bhakti Kaiti uktu sakiti, kaiti uktu sakiti, yaschoy bhakti, kaiti uktu sakiti, kaiti uktu sakiti, swailagi mukti, zan mane moj, swailagi mukti, zan mane.
Temple of Maharagina in the front.
Yukun vrat dare, nyat pooja kare, nyat pooja kare. Yukun vrat dare, nyat pooja kare, nyat pooja kare. Sai tare bav sare, tarne bojoi, tarne bojoi. Sai tare bav sare, tarne bojoi, tarne bojoi. Murare chundane, sangomai.
That was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. You have seen that how beautiful it is. Yes, I promised you that I'll take you around. The best thing about this place is that you have to leave behind the ego. You have to leave behind the ego, and then only you have to come here with a very clean and pure mind and soul. Mind, soul and heart, because you just see everybody in this place, big or small, rich or poor, he is sitting at one place. He is sitting on the same ground. There is no big, no small.